What's so cool about manufacturing? Today we visited Southco to find this out. They make touchpoint objects like doorknobs, hinges, and latches that you would use in your everyday life.
We do plastic injection molding here, so all the latches we assemble have plastic parts, and then we also use metal screws and springs and other fasteners to assemble them together. I graduated from Penn State University with a degree in multidisciplinary engineering design, and that program taught me a lot about the different aspects of manufacturing. So we did a lot of mechanical engineering as well as electrical engineering, which is really important in today's manufacturing climate.
What do I like about my job? I like making things. I like building things. I like creating business. And my job as a manufacturing engineer, I get to do that.
I work out in the manufacturing floor with the injection molding machines. My main contribution is to ensure that we are making good product for our customers. If a problem does arise, it is my job to go over and troubleshoot the problem and fix the problem.
You can see this white rabbit written on here, and it says function fail. So this is actually a bad part that we made, that at the beginning of every day, when an operator goes to run this machine, they'll put this part in the machine and the machine will test it. And this makes sure that the machine is still able to distinguish between a good part and a bad part.
What I think is cool about manufacturing is really seeing something go from the very beginning stages, like the raw material, plastic pellets, all the way into the end product that you might see in your car or on a boat or in a store.
This part here, we start out with material like this. So if you see these little specks of green in here, that little pellet mixed in with all the other pellets will make a part with a color like this.
What I think is cool about manufacturing is you get to build things. You get to make things all the time. You get to use different disciplines. You get to use mechanical skills, electrical skills, programming skills, networking skills to combine many different facets of technology. Combine them into one to develop some type of process that builds things. I find that very exciting.